Thank you for tuning in and welcome back to Home Ownership Advice. In today's episode, you'll learn about the top 5 low-cost home repairs you can do today. My name is Andrew Finney. Please consider me your real estate geek. I'm always here to help. If you need help finding a top agent where you live, or if you simply want to drop me a line and say hi, my contact info is below. If you haven't already done so, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel now and like this video. Thank you. So let's go ahead and get into the top 5 low-cost home repairs you can do right now. At the end of this video, I'm going to ask you to tell me which one you're going to do and share some other tips that you have in mind as well. So tip number 1 is replacing the shower heads. This is a really hard thing to do, I know. Replacing those shower heads from the high volume output to the low volume output is really hard. I mean, it involves being able to work a wrench and put your hands over the head for a couple of minutes, and that's it. And it can actually help save you up to 20,000 gallons of water a year. Depending on how much and how big your family may be, you can shave 20,000 or more gallons per year by just changing your shower head from a high flow to a low flow. So tip number 2 is actually insulating your hot water heater. If you walk by your hot water heater and you touch it and it feels warm to your touch, then it's probably going to be a really good idea to go ahead and get some extra insulation to help protect that heat, keep it in there, and you can also do this yourself. Fortunately, a lot of the big box stores like Lowe's and Home Depot, Ace Hardware, these kind of places normally have some pre-cut insulating blankets that'll fit nice and snug around your water heater. And doing this, and it's going to cost you about 20 bucks, and it can help cut down your water heating costs by up to 10%. Again, just depends on how big your family is and how much you love those hot showers, but that's something that you can do, and it's going to add to your bottom line at the end of the day. Tip number 3 is actually sealing your windows and your doors. So a good test here is to go get a piece of paper, go over to your door, and see if you can close your door on that paper. Do the same thing with your windows. If you can close the door or window on that piece of paper, it means that you have a leaky seal. The way that you fix a leaky seal is actually getting weather stripping and putting on a really good weather strip line with a little bit of caulk and everything, get everything sealed up nice and tight so that you're not losing your heating in the winter and your cooling in the summer. Doing that can actually save you a lot of money as well, and it's going to make your home much more energy efficient. So tip number 4 that we're considering today is sealing the cooling and heating ducts. Now, if you have a room in your house, and a lot of houses sometimes have this kind of stuff, so think about this for a moment. If you walk into one of the rooms in your house and it feels like it's kind of musty or muggy in the summer, or if it feels like it's cold and clammy in the winter, then you probably have a leaky duct or a ductwork not operating as efficiently as it could. And fortunately, you can also do some great things on your own right here by going over to, again, those big box stores and the home improvement store and just simply picking up some duct wrap. So you can actually wrap your ductwork and then tape it yourself, and you can cut off 25% of your monthly energy bills depending on how much and what temperatures you keep it in your area. So that could be very, very impactful as well, and you can do it right now. So the 5th tip, of course, is our favorite friend, a leaky faucet. So whenever you're asleep at night, it's like 1 a.m. In the morning, 1:30 in the morning, and you just hear that drip, 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 drip. Yeah, it's that bad boy right there we want to fix, right? So fortunately, fixing a leaky faucet is pretty simple in a lot of cases. Sometimes it just simply requires you tightening something up, or getting a new gasket, getting a new seal to go around your faucet. Sometimes that's as easy as it is. If it's like a pipe or something like that, maybe, and it's like where it connects, maybe it just needs to be tightened up a little bit, and then that'll fix the problem. But please, when it comes to plumbing and stuff, please know when it's time to call in a pro, because if you go into doing pipe patches and you go into doing a lot of stuff with the plumbing, it could actually hurt more than it could do good. So that's about the time that you need to call in the big guns, call in the plumbers, get them in there and help them out. And by the way, by just fixing that little annoying dripping faucet, you can save over 200 gallons of water each and every month. That's how much water that bad boy is putting out. So every time you see that drip, 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 imagine your bank account going down, 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 because it's using 200 gallons of water a month by just that little stupid drip. So get that stuff fixed. So now, like I said at the beginning of this video, tell me which one of these home repairs are you going to use today? Are you going to go out right now and seal your windows and doors, or are you going to replace all your shower heads and insulate the water heater? Tell us in the comment section below, along with any other low-cost home repair tips that you'd like to share with us. I'm going to put my contact information up right now. Again, if you need help finding a top agent where you live, or if you simply want to say hi, I'm always here to help and love hearing from you. If you haven't already done so, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Please go ahead and like this video. And please share this video around with someone you know it's going to be able to help. In between now and next time, I'm wishing you and yours a lifetime full of love, wealth, abundance, and happiness. Thank you for watching. Enjoy a great day.